Hello friends, today we are going to perform an experiment on conservation of mechanical energy with the help of this iron ball. Believe me, this ball is very heavy. It is of mass 2.5 kg. But first of all, we are going to see brief theory for this experiment. Here, pendulum is attached on the top at the position, means at the rest position. The height of the pendulum from the ground, h is equal to 0. Whenever I pull this pendulum or ball attached to this pendulum, at the level of my chin, it means I worked on the pendulum. This work will be saved in the form of potential energy. Potential energy is given by the equation mgh. Here at the second position, here the mgh is maximum. Whenever I release this ball freely, here important word is freely, it means I don't apply any type of force on the ball. It will travel and reach at the second point on opposite side. Here, if there is no loss, the ball must gain equal height like a position number 1 at position number 2. But there is some friction is always present in the system. These frictions are due to air and moving parts of machines. Here at the top there is a moving part and also air is present in this room. So there will be a losses included in the total equation of mechanical energy. These losses are considered in the equation and will be minus from the total energy. So whenever ball returns back, I hope it will not touch my chin. So I will be saved and I will be perform this experiment with the help of this 2.5 kg ball. Here, second point, if I drop the ball freely, means without any type of force, and if there is no friction present, then ball will travel to the second position and come back on the same height, and when it comes back to the same height, my chin will be destroyed or collide with the ball. So we have to consider 2 points. There must be a losses, and I hope that ball will not reach at the same height. Okay, then I will perform an experiment with this 2.5 kg iron ball on myself. So friend, I placed this 2.5 kg iron ball inside a bag, and the another terminal is connected to the top of the roof. Here we will perform two types of experiment. In first experiment, we will apply some little force on the pendulum and we will see what will be the result. And for that, I will use one ring. It is a rubber ring. I will place it on my hand From this position I applied little amount of force to this pendulum. So friend, you can see that little amount of force increases the energy, total energy of the pendulum, and it gained more height, and so it will collide with the things. But what if I place myself at the place of the ring? So we will see next experiment with myself. But this time I will not apply any amount of force on the pendulum, and I will let pendulum to free fall. So are you ready, guys? Pendulum is perfectly at the position at my chin. So friends, physics works.